Now, here is the product that actually won the competition of Ready, Steady, Create, Grease Lightning. Remember this team? We caught up with one of them here in the Bournemouth store.
This is a grease lightning. It's a spot treatment that I helped invent. We've been selling it to our target audience of teenagers as well as pretty much everyone who comes in. So far we've sold 89 and it's been on sale for about a month, and we're really excited to be selling it in the shop. Everyone's really excited to be able to buy it from someone who helped invent it.
So joining me in the studio now are Mo and Helen, who have come to tell us all about the new products that have made it from the Ready, Steady, Create apprenticeships into the shelves and into our stores. So here's what's coming soon. Hello, you two.
Good morning, Rowena.
You always do this to me. Right, here we have, let's start with Grease Lightning. Helen, you're going to tell us about this one.
Well, this was invented by the skincare team on the Ready, Steady, Create day, and it's just a beautiful light gel. They wanted a nice spot treatment that had been asked for a lot, and this is based on lovely antiseptic herbs and aloe vera gel. It's selling very well so far. We've sold 1,500 bottles of this to rave reviews from customers in the forum, so a really successful product, really lovely, very effective.
It's exciting, that one, isn't it? I know that we couldn't wait to get our hands on it. Soap, new soap.
Well, this was an interesting invention as well. This was Dawn from Cambridge and the soap team put this together. It's an antiseptic soap based on oregano and rose. There's infusions of both and oils of both in the soap.
Tell us about the name, Mo.
Yes, we were struggling a bit with something that was going to be antiseptic but sexy, and came up with this. The idea was nicked off a film poster we saw on a film. I can't even remember what it was, but the name was 13 Soap Unlucky for Dirt, which seemed so appropriate that yeah, it just sort of pulls it all together. And
sexy and antiseptic doesn't go, does it?
No, not really. That's only just launched in the shop, so we'll wait to hear how that's going to be received.
And Otifix, Helen, this is from the Fresh team.
It was, yes. Again, a lovely Ready, Steady, Create product. They wanted to use oats, which I think gave them inspiration for the lovely name Otifix, quite breakfast cereally, lots of bananas. Just been launched here in the UK, again very successful, the customers are really loving it, so
it smells divine, doesn't it? I love it.
Very,
that
very
one.
nice, yeah.
Very nice.
Beautiful mask.
And then moving on, we've got this one from the Manu.
Oh yes, well everyone else got involved, and then the Manu guys came over from both Japan and Canada, and we had a day, or they had a day in the factory. They favoured vegan lip balm. They called it None of Your Beeswax, as in none of your business, hoping for a year-round vegan.
And that's really lovely. I've been using that one. And then sugar scrubs. Oh, I'm loving these.
These piggybacked onto the apprentice show over here, the guy being Alan Sugar, and we thought we would just make the most of the name, really. So here he is, in two guises. One is a sugar scrub, which is really quite abrasive, and the other is a sugar babe with a pink,
soft centre, yes.
Pink soft
coconut
centre.
oil soft centre.
Yes.
It's very lovely.
They can be used, I thought, primarily in the shower. It's a sort of a mild bubble bar base with the sugar in it, so you can use it more than once, but you can actually, scrub it on your skin and get the benefit there.
And this is another example of a product that we've turned into a solid, where it would normally be packaged and possibly a liquid. And we've applied for a patent for this, so it's patent pending, and hopefully we should get that, so very, very special indeed.
And then we've got Cocoa Boy, or better known as Cocoa Lotion now. Tell us about this one, Helen.
Yes, we are notorious for changing our minds about names at the last minute, but we always want to get it right. So this is a beautiful product which has been invented by one of a number of lovely apprentices who've come to work in the lab through the spring and summer. Her name's Shakira. she'd just been on holiday to the West Indies and brought back a lovely collection of spices and fruits that are used traditionally there, and we put those materials into a base with 25% of our beautiful coconut oil, fair trade coconut oil, and you can actually smell the coconut oil, so we decided not to fragrance it.
Doesn't need it, does it? It's
no,
lovely.
Beautiful, light, light but nourishing lotion, full of gorgeous ingredients. So yes, going to be very successful, I'm sure.
Yeah, I think so. And then the last one, we had little toner tabs with a Q on. What's the story with those?
Well, this was inspired by Carl from Derby, who was very interested in men's products and wanted to create a toner for men. So we put his idea into a toner tab. And we'd had a product in the lab which we were quite interested in, which was a toner from Japan, which is sold in just generally over there, which is a very successful toner, but that used coenzyme Q10 in it, and so we thought that it would be great to put coenzyme Q10 into a toner tab along with our Vit C and our Vit E, with a lovely lavender based fragrance, so that guys can just plink one of these into their shaving water, and Carl just loved the whole thing, so it was great work by him. It was really good.
So thank you to Mo and Helen for coming in to tell us the stories behind the new products that are coming to your stores. Thank you, Mo and Helen.
Thank you, Rowena.